Okay, let's try and make a volcano. I've got the tray and I've got a jar. What we're going to do is use some baking soda or sodium bicarbonate. I'm going to put 3 of these spoonfuls in here, like that. There you go, like that. That's it. To make it fun, I've got some washing up liquid and I'm going to pour some vinegar into one of these tubes to make it easier to pour into here. So let's just pour some of that in there like that. That's it. There you go. And I'm going to pour also some washing up liquid, just a little bit, into the vinegar. So just pour a little bit in there like that. That's it. Now I'm going to pour this now in here, and it's going to make a chemical reaction. What actually happens is it'll start to bubble up and it makes a gas. It forms a gas, carbon dioxide. So let's just have a look. Here we go. There you go. Wow. So don't forget, the gas it makes or forms is carbon dioxide.